Little engine that could. Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. He said little engine that could. He say that to little engine that could train. I wanted to be Murdoch.
Is it Murdoch? Maybe it's the little Murdoch that could.
Yeah. No, the Murdoch. No, Murdoch. Just Murdoch. He said Murdoch. No, the little engine because look at the train is so tiny. That means but Murdoch is tiny right here. Murdoch is big on movie. How about let's play this thing out?
No. That's the funnel.
What about Murdoch bees Pisces? Murdoch. No, this is the little engine.
Guys, it's
it's a little engine.
It's a train. I built it for fun. If you guys are gonna fight over it, I'm gonna take it away.
No, it's little engine.
It doesn't matter.
No, little engine, no, little engine.
Okay.